Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to study about the concepts, application and tools used in business intelligence. You may have heard the terms business intelligence or BI, but what it really means. There are several different definitions, but to put it simply, BI is about delivering relevant and reliable information to right people at right time with the goal of achieving better decisions for our business. Faster to do this, BI requires methods and programs to collect and structure data, convert it into information, and present it to improve business decisions. BI takes a vast amount of data generated by businesses and present it in a meaningful and actionable way. While these are very simple concepts, BI is actually a largely complex field including performance management, analytics, predictive modeling, data and text mining, and a lot more. Imagine business intelligence functioning like a grocery store. When you enter a grocery store and are looking for specific items, say eggs, milk, and bananas, you do not need to find an employee to ask for where to look. Instead, the grocery stores are organized into aisles and signs that makes them easy to navigate. Now imagine the items in the store is like your business data and you need it to be collected for information on production, billable hours, and sales goals. For this, you are likely to go to three different experts and ask them where you can find this information. Then you will go to someone else and have them compile it for you. BI is all about taking your messy information and turning it into a tidy and accessible asset. This enables you to navigate your data on your own and find what you need without relying on others. Organizations have no longer to dig through complex webs of linked spreadsheets, analyzing the data manually and messing together reports. Instead, employees can use BI systems to request the information without any messing.
Anytime access to organized data means you can discover inefficient business processes and hidden patterns, identify area of strength and weaknesses, and discover new opportunities, all of which contributes to a better understanding of your company's operations and challenges of present and future.
Let's look at a retail example. You are the manager of a retail chain that has both stores and online shops. You offer your customer a loyalty card which they can use in the store or can enter into their online account for their shopping purposes. It gives them loyalty credit for your organization. The card associates everything that customer buys in store or online with their unique account number into your organization's database. By the usage of BI, systems and softwares are empowered by having the ability to analyze reports on massive amount of customers' information, which enables you to understand how loyal they are to your brand, what product they buy frequently, if they have a preference for visiting the store or buying from online store. So what business intelligence gives you? The ability to understand or even predict an individual customer or a segment need, preferences and habits, anticipate more opportunities to sell and deliver better services. In short, you are able to understand your customer very well based on their historic transactions and behavior and use that information to increase your sales or differentiate your brand by providing better and unique services. So, in closing, the term BI refers to a group of tools and techniques that collects and organizes your data and present it in such a way that it is useful and makes sense. If you want to have an efficient access to accurate, understandable, and actionable information on demand, then BI, that is business intelligence, might be the right thing for your organization. Do you know that we can use business intelligence for price optimizations? Hotels use price optimizations very effectively by raising the price of room at periods when many people want to visit the hotel and by reducing it to attract more visitor when the demand is low. They can greatly increase their profits. In order to effectively apply this strategy, they must extract the relevant information in real time and compare it with the historicals. Business intelligence allow you to adjust your strategy to the past data as soon as it is available. Another application of business intelligence is enhancing inventory management. Over and undersupply can cause problems in business. However, implementing effective inventory management means supplying enough stocks to meet the demand with the minimal amount of waste and cost. To do this well, you can perform an in-depth analysis of past sales transaction for the purpose of identifying seasonality patterns and the times of your highest sales. Additionally, you could track your inventory to identify the months when you are over or understocked. A detailed analysis can even pinpoint the day or the time of day where the need of the good was highest. With the given examples, the importance of BI is evident. So, understanding BI tools available today is crucial. Before going to actual tools, let us see what are the features that tools are equipped with. The features are dashboard, visualization, reporting, predictive analytics, data mining, ETL, OLAP, and drill down. The first tool is SAS. SAS BI is known for simple solutions to complex data analysis problems. With really fast processing and clear guided exploration, you can get a clear picture on information that you need the most instantly and deploy the models into service faster without any headache. You will also learn to build better models with simple features based on testing techniques. The second tool is Click. It is among the best tools in BI. With its guided tool, Click View, and service tool like Click Sense, this powerful program offers fully interactive data operations. This allows user for data exploration in all phases. Click also offers a system memory function that displays every action taking place during the analysis. It is a powerful BI tool. It also available on mobile platforms. The next will be Microsoft Power BI. Power BI is the current leader of the Gartner's Magic Quadrant in BI and data analytics. This includes its interactive visualization, predictive analysis, mobile access, exclusive exports of report, big data integration, and storyboarding. Not to mention, it is the leading BI tool used in the field of BI and data analytics. The reason of its extreme popularity is its affordability and most of its features including a limited free version in addition to the basic package makes it a good option. The next tool will be Tableau. This is a 7-time leader of Gartner Magic Quadrant in BI and data analytics. Tableau is the most sought after tool available in this field. It is easy to use for even non-technical users. It can create customizable dashboards and other reports to find valuable insight. In fact, Tableau is so popular that some people calls it de facto standard. And most importantly, it is not only used for visualization, you can also aggregate your data and drill it down to various levels of details. Along with these, SAP Business Objects, Data Pine, MicroStrategy, Yellowfin BI, Zoho Analytics, and Oracle BI are some of the BI and data analytics tools to name few. So that was all for this video. I hope that the concept of business intelligence, along with its application and few of its tools that are used in industry, will be clear. If you like the content and you want more such videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.